on his shit. Right. What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413, back with another one. What's going on, guys? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. You know what I'm saying? It's another beautiful day, another DIY Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Today ain't Wednesday for me, it's a Saturday, but it's a Wednesday for you, and I hope you're enjoying it. It's hump day, you know what I'm saying? Who doesn't like a hump day? If you like me, hump day is the day before payday. You know what I'm saying? Like, and what am I saying was, like, when I was like, when my paydays was Fridays, like Thursdays is a good day because it's the day before payday, and then Friday's a good day because it's payday. But when you paydays on Thursday, that's like, oh, Wednesday's a good day, Thursday's a good day, and Friday is the weekend. It's like, yo, that's just like, yo, I love those weeks. But let's get on to this. What do I have here? I know you guys seen this box once before. Yes, you have. This is the OEM factory-made BRP Can-Am radiator protector for your Ryker. Don't forget to mention that. Yes, this was made by Can-Am Ryker, the company, the BRP. So, when you buy a OEM part, what do you get in it? First of all, you get instructions. That's why I buy OEM. I get instructions. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your instructions. And what do I got here? What do I got here? What do I got here in the bottom of the instructions? Screws. We got new screws and washers. You know what I'm saying? Screws and washers. So there ain't gonna be no figuring out what you gonna do, because the instructions is gonna tell you what you gotta do. Right, guys? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So let's see what the screws come with. It come with the little square ones for the back of the thing, for the back of the inside. It come with the little fancy ones that look pretty, you know what I'm saying? It come with the big bolts that go on the bottom of the front and the bottom underneath. And it come with the new clips that go underneath. And it comes with 2 washers. Like, what? Everything you need. All right, so let's get to this. Let's get to the box. Oh, you've seen it once before on a Marks Mondays. Now you're seeing it once again on the DI Wednesdays. Yeah, I've been wanting this for a long time. Since it came out, I've been wanting this. You know what I'm saying? This didn't come out when my bike came out. This is a 2020 accessory. This came out in the 2020 models. You know what I'm saying? This ain't the 2021. It's a 2021 piece. So we're not even gonna get too much into talking about what about it, because we already did that in the intro on the unboxing, right, guys? So, but one more thing I want to mention. This is an OEM product and it comes with hardware. So let's get to that. So obviously what you gotta do is remove your 2 screws from the bottom. You know what you're gonna do with those screws? You're gonna throw them in the trash because you don't need them no more, because they sent you new ones. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna unclip our front end. Oh, hold on. How we do this? I ain't doing it so long. Hey, how do you even do this? I forgot. Oh, there we go. It's a new front end, so I don't want to mess it up, guys. Brand new front end. So my other one, I cracked it for taking it on and off so much. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. So what you do is you pull off your front end. As you see, I just pulled my front end off, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by, first thing you're gonna have to do when you're adding this on, you gotta remove this bottom piece. So Can-Am sells this right here. It's like $130 with all the hardware. So you know what I'm saying, if you're willing to pay all the extra money for the hardware and for an OEM part, I would get this. But first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna remove your original. You're gonna remove your original rally. If you have a rally, you're gonna remove your original rally lip and you're gonna sell it to somebody else, because factory, if you buy this brand new, this rally lip, it's like $150 something. If you buy the metal one, it's only like $130. It makes no sense to me, but I guess it costs more money to make plastic than it does metal. I guess that's it. But I'm gonna hold the square one from the back with my thumb, and I'm just gonna unscrew these. And like I told you guys with the other screws that you take out the bottom, you can just throw those away. These ones you don't want to throw away. You know why? Because you're gonna sell this lip to somebody else, and then they're gonna want the screws with it. So you wanna make sure you wanna keep these screws. I'm actually probably gonna sell mine to A because he don't got a rally, so think he need a rather lip for his bike. How much y'all think I should sell it to A for? 100? 75? All right, there we go. Unscrewed. All right, now we're gonna pull off our top-notch Ryker grill, which is covered in bugs. I'm gonna pull that off. And now we're gonna just pop this bottom lip off there. Like so. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. All right. So you look at it, it already has the holes in the side. We're gonna stick those screws in here. So it gives us, they give us the screw that we need, the little pretty ones, and they give us the square thing that goes in the back. So we got the new one just sitting on the ground. We're gonna set the front end over it. Set the front end over it and line up the hole. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna put our washer on first. It's a little rubber washer. I'm gonna put that on first. Throw a little square thing in the back. And we're just gonna tighten her up. All right, we got it started. Just gonna continue to hold the back of it with our thumb. So I'm having a little problem. The back of mine is square thing spinning, so I'm just gonna grab some needle nose pliers to hold that steady. All right, you can tighten that up nice and tight. Then we can go to the other side, spin it around for you guys, and we're gonna continue. We're gonna copy that process of what we just did. This is the new one right here because it has a Loctite on it. I can tell. I almost got confused with the other ones. You can throw a little rubber washer on there. Stick it through the hole. So, stick a little square thing on the back, back to the front, tighten it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna have to hold the other side with my pliers again. We're tight there. All right, guys, so that's basically installed there. That's looking, it's a little loose. It's gonna be a little tighter once I tighten the bottom in, but it's looking good. Let's try to see if we can put this back on there. All right, there we go. Yep, fits nicely. Still locked on there. Nice, I like it. I like it a lot. Whew, getting old. All right, so before we throw it on, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these clips, I'm gonna slide the old ones off the bottom of the frame and slide these ones into place. So they're right next to the radiator, the front of the radiator. That's where they go. Move the clips now. Take our front, we're gonna slide her back on there like usual. This right here I gotta fix. All right, now once we got it back on there, we just tighten up the screws down below on the bottom. Oh, actually, Can-Am gave us screws to put in the bottom too. Yep. Oh, I think I mentioned that already, but they gave us those too. All right, guys. So I had a little technical difficulties getting that last hole lined up, but I got her done. You know what I'm saying? I had to jack it up. So I could see what I was doing. There was like a little bit more pressure on the front of it, so I had to push it back a little bit to get it lined up. But I got it there. If you have that trouble, if you can jack it up. Take a look under there. See what you can do. Wasn't a hard install at all. That's on there sturdy. That's sturdy. You know what I'm saying? So, like I tell you all the time, a must-have is to protect your radiator. Protecting your radiator is a must-have. So, you know what I'm saying? Bill Ramsey, he got the radiator protectors. RLS, they sell radiator protectors. Top-notch Ryker mods, as you can see, they sell radiator protectors. All those radiator protectors are going to protect against rocks. You know what I'm saying? It's different size rocks. They're going to all protect against rocks. You know what I'm saying? You see, top-notch Ryker mod, they have the double, so it has the mesh on the inside. Rallies come with the mesh, but none of these radiator protectors is protecting the very bottom of your radiator. If you look at people that's breaking their radiators, like 90% of them are the bottom of the radiator is getting torn out. You know what I'm saying? So this right here, it goes straight to your frame. So if you're gonna hit something with this, it's gonna protect the bottom of your radiator, because either you're gonna hit something and you're gonna go on top of it, or you're gonna hit something and it's gonna bend your frame. You know what I'm saying? And then it's like, oh no. But if you bend your frame and you got full coverage, insurance company's gonna pay you for that bike. You get you a new 2022, you know what I'm saying? Get rid of that 19, get you a 2022. But I'm loving it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw a sticker on here right on front that says King Joffrey Joe, so it can look like it's engraved like a Trail Mouse Moto. You know what I'm saying? Because I thought his was engraved, but it's not. But I'm gonna do that. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, you like, you hit the merch. You know what I'm saying? Get yourself some merch. KingJoffreyJoe413.com, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.